This video shows you how to sign up for a free trial of ASP's ClickClock time and attendance system. If you go to the web page on the top of your screen now, you'll bring up this page and just click on the Start Your Free Trial button. This will display a list of things that you need to do. The most important thing is to click on the registration form link on this page. This will bring up a form that allows you to enter your email address, and we just click on the send verification code. This just proves that you have access to that email address. We have used a Gmail address here, and if we go and look in our Gmail account now, we will see a message from ASP with your verification code. So we have got 815125. We will copy that to our clipboard. We will go back here and paste it into here, and we click on verify code. Now we can put in passwords and other details for our account. We'll use the name Test Account, and the company name will be Test Company. You put in your company details there, obviously, and we are in Australia, so we click on Create. Okay, now we've got Welcome to ClickClock, and we confirm our trial, that we accept our terms and conditions. We can click on the screen here. I'll just open it in a new tab and see our end user license agreement, which we go back here. We have to, by clicking on the confirm trial button, we have indicated that we agree with those conditions, so we'll confirm the trial. Now we just need to go through and set up our ClickClock account by adding employees and terminals and mobile apps and things. And that's it for this video. Thanks.